In this video, I am going to show you a profitable binary options trading strategy, especially inside pocket option. And this is the exact strategy that have helped me to achieve up to 100% win rate. And within few minutes and within few trades, I was able to make profit of $1,166, which I am going to show you in this video. So watch this video very carefully. And if you want to get some free binary signals to trade binary options in a profitable way, you can join my free Telegram channel. And if you want to copy my trades directly, then you can join my VIP copy trading channel. And to join my VIP copy trading channel, all the instructions are given inside this free Telegram channel. So do join it, and don't forget to like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you make all of this currency pair favorite. Don't worry, I am exactly going to show you how I was able to turn my $192 into $1,358. Okay, I'll show you that exact video also, but let me explain you this strategy. Firstly, make all of this currency pair favorite that you want to make trade on. If it is giving you 92% payout, that is best. And then select the candlestick time frame as 10, and then trading time frame should also be as 10, meaning 10 seconds. So if you make this candle as 10, then that means each of these candles are forming in 10-second time frame. And if you make it, so if you are seeing a flag at here, make sure to click on that flag and make it clock and select 10 S5 and increase it to 10. So this means your trading time frame is 10 seconds. However, you can test your trading time frame, you can increase your trading time frame to 20 second, 30 second and test this strategy. Okay, but in this video I am going to show you by making trade in 10-second time frame. So once you do this much, then decide the amount that you want to invest in one trade at here. Now once you have done everything, now you need to implement an indicator that is called super trend. So to implement this indicator, just click on here and click on super trend. You don't need to make any changes at here. The default setting of super trend is fine to go with. So once you do this much, now I'll show you something to explain this strategy. So this simple strategy is like this. Here you can see whenever super trend shows lower, then it means market is in downtrend. And whenever it is saying higher, then market is in uptrend. Super trend is as simple as this to use. But here's a little twist that we are going to do with this super trend indicator. As you can see here, it is saying lower, and here you can see market is continuously trying to make it resistance. Here you can see it goes up to here in this super trend line and again bounce back below. Here also you can see, once you see this kind of pattern, you can make a trade by clicking on lower at here in 10-second time frame, or maybe in 20, 30, that is your choice. Okay, you can make test. And I'll exactly show you by making trade in this chart also, but let me show you now another. So here is another example. Here you can see super trend is saying higher, so we will make trade by clicking on high, and we'll see this kind of pattern. We'll need to find out this kind of pattern. Even if it is not close to super trend line, still here you can see it is trying to make support and resistance in a beautiful way. Now again it is in support. Here you can see, now here you can take risk and make a trade by clicking on higher. So you need to find this kind of pattern by using super trend indicator. And if this kind of chart are making this kind of resistance and support area in this super trend line, then that is the best place where you can make trade. Even if it is not like this, then you can again find and see this kind of place where you can make trade, and you can make profitable trade by using this simple strategy. Now what I will do is I'll keep quiet and make few trades and show you how I was able to turn my $192 into $1,358 by achieving the 100% win rate. Now I'll keep quiet, watch this video very carefully.